Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to see card number on Google Pay. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to see card number on Google Pay typically uses a device PAN that is called DPAN. This is a unique digital card number rather than your actual card number. So this DPAN is generated by Google Pay and is different from your real card number. You won't be able to view your actual card number within the Google Pay app itself. Google Pay replaces your actual card number with DPAN when you add your card. This DPAN is used for transactions and merchant never see or store your real card number. You can typically view the last 4 digits and the expiration date of your card within the Google Pay, and Google Pay does not display the full card number for security reasons as well. So if you remove a card from Google Pay and re-add it, a new DPAN will be generated. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.